Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. So today I'm making spicy buffalo air fried drumsticks. So what you want to do is prep your chicken. So I'm using 3 tablespoons of flour for my coating. Actually, I think I use 4 tablespoons. It just depends on how many pieces of chicken you're using. And then I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Now I'm going to take my smoked paprika. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of paprika, chili powder, 2 tablespoons of that. Then I want to take some cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons of that. And then I'm going to mix it up all together. Then I'm going to take my Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Wing Sauce and pour that into a bowl. We're going to use that later. So disregard this clip here because I forgot to rinse my chicken first. So you want to rinse your chicken with cold water thoroughly. Drain the water. And now you want to make sure you pat the chicken dry with a paper towel. Make sure it's completely dry so the coating will stick and it won't be clumpy. Because you don't want it to be too thick since we're going to put it in our air fryer. We're not frying with any grease today. So now you want to season your chicken. I'm going to season it with pepper, both sides. Then I'm going to take my chili powder. Husband just came home from work. And then my smoked paprika. Cayenne pepper. Then you spray your trays with some nonstick cooking spray. Put a thin layer of the coating. You want to make sure you shake it dry so it's not too thick. It's evenly coated. Alright, so you're going to turn your air fryer on to 375 and then you're going to cook for 7 minutes. And after each 7 minutes, you're going to rotate your trays. And then once you rotate your trays once, each tray, to make sure each one gets to cook at the top so they don't burn, you flip them over. You cook them again another 7 minutes each rack. I like to rotate the trays because if you leave them in the same spot, they're not going to cook evenly. Like all of the chicken be the same color and the same cook. And then if you leave that one at the top, it's going to be really dark and burned because that's where the heating element is, even though air circulates through the whole air fryer. But at the top, it has that heating element. So you want to make sure you rotate it throughout the time that you're cooking. Even if you're only using 2 trays, you want to rotate after like 5 or 7 minutes or so, depending on what you're cooking and how long you're cooking. So now we're going to switch it to 5 minutes. After I rotate, And that's what they're looking like now. And now I'm going to dip them into the hot sauce and continue cooking. And I have detailed instructions that I'm going to put in the description bar on how much of what I use. So I recorded this video a while back and I completely forgot about it. Because I wanted some spicy chicken, but we're trying to not to use any grease anymore. We're on a healthy eating lifestyle, air fry, grill, and bake everything. I haven't had real fried chicken in months. Damn near a year now. Honestly, this chicken wasn't as hot as I wanted it to be, so I'm thinking I need to add another type of spice or get a hotter hot sauce. But I didn't want it to be too hot for the kids either. But it was spicy enough. I think next time I'm gonna soak my chicken in the hot sauce overnight with some paprika, cayenne pepper, and chili powder. And maybe that'll help it lock in more flavor and be a little bit more spicy. Now I'm going to use my brush and apply some more of that sauce there. And this is what they're looking like. And we are done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. The next recipe I will be posting is my air fry lemon pepper chicken. And I will also have detailed ingredients and instructions in the description bar. That video is not quite as long because I started recording at the last minute. I'm going to add some more of that hot sauce on there. And today we're having mashed potatoes and corn on the cob to go with this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for my air fry lemon pepper chicken. And I also have a Cosmic Queen makeup tutorial coming up and a cotton candy. Love you guys so much. Be safe out there and stay healthy. Bye.